Dude, it's nice as hell. What they say here is hella nice. This cool place. Fuck God. I feel like everyone here is like high already. Everyone's here is like a hippies, it feels like. Surf City. Ocean Beach. Oh, this is the spot here. This feels like California. Certain parts of California don't. You know, this feels like what you see in the movies. Whoa, sick! Ah! Sorry. I'm gonna have to fly it from here to the ocean. There's a stairway that leads down to the water. Looks pretty sick. I'm going to check it out right now. Yeah, let's check it out now. Oh, lots of good spots over here. Hell yeah. And the bike lane. Dude, this is sick. Ah! Sunset Cliffs, baby. Dude, this is the spot here. Dude, it's nice as hell. What they say here is hella nice. Oh, sheesh. Dude, that's awesome. Hello. Oh, shit. San Diego, we made it, baby. We made it, baby. Oh, that might be the spot right there. Too bad the sunlight's bad right now. Sunset Cliffs Boulevard, baby. Whoa, fucking nuts. Look at the views here. Oh, hold up. That might be it right there. This guy is Stone Cold Steve Austin over here. Run solo! Whoa, we have to walk down the street later. Nice spot here. We got some interesting eats around here. It's very eclectic, San Diego. Nice rooftop bar. Oh, these dudes giving dabs in the cars. It's so California out here. It's fucking California AF. It's funny. People here are real chill. It's funny stuff. Whoa, Tokyo Drift. This guy's got the half and half mobile. Is this a dead end? Fuck! Let's see the sunset. Oh, San Diego! Bumpy. It's a pretty gorgeous, cool looking sunset. Whoa, this place is popping. This place is the shit. Oh my goodness, this place is madness.